And the final thing I'm going to go over is how to give the option to override the list. So suppose we don't want to be too draconian to stop people. So this is Chicago. So if I try and type Houston, it won't let me because I just deleted it. But it might be we want to discourage people from doing it, but then we want to allow them, if they really want to add something that's not on the list, to do it. And this actually makes a lot of sense, because if you can imagine you're doing this for a large organization, there's lots of people using this spreadsheet. In practice, things will be changing all the time, and people might not understand how to be able to add it themselves. So it just makes it a bit flexible, and will save them having to come back to you every time to add names to the list if you allow them to override it. The way you do that is to click on the cell with the drop-down list, click on data, data tools, data validation, so the same thing we clicked on before, and click on where it says error alert. Now the default is stop, which is where it doesn't let you, but if you click on that down arrow, you can just click on warning, and then the error message, it says not on list, but you can still add. So you can add anything you like there, and that's what I've just written. So now it means if they click on that and they start typing, what should we type in? Mumbai. Enter. So not on list, but you can still add it. Do you want to continue? And the default is no, but I can click on yes, and there it allows me to add it. But it doesn't actually add it to this list. I would then have to go through the thing of adding it manually if I wanted it there. Just gives a bit more flexibility. So I hope you find this useful, and I hope you'll be doing a lot of drop-down lists in your spreadsheets from now on. That's all for now. Bye.